Hi, Charu. So, we would like to know your personal journey for building this big empire, how it all started.
This is Charu Sultani. I originally started from Hong Kong office in 2018 with the Travel Tricks. And then, of course, it was just to start from there and had a very big vision. With my, by that time, I had almost 20 years of experience of a travel in an event field. And then I started with the inbound Hong Kong, Macau, and China as a DMC. Then I said that there is something which I can look in a bigger picture, and that is when COVID hit. COVID has taught me a lot, where the whole idea of expansion and whole idea of growth has come because it was I was looking at the one small piece on a map where my vision changed to a different countries across the world where we can bring them together, which was UAE and Middle East. That is when I thought of starting in 2020, where my lot of clients were going from Hong Kong to via Dubai to any part of the world. And in 2022, I started my travel tricks in Dubai with the expansion plans and where I saw a lot of growth. And I'm standing today with my another company, which I have just recently launched, Creative Connections, which is for basically for consulting high-end events, high-end travel, a lot of services, which you can check it on the website.
Understood. Okay. So, what are the tips that you would like to give to the entrepreneurs, like women entrepreneurs, to conquer their goals?
I will always say never give up your dreams. When you have a dreams, try to fulfill. And it doesn't complete in a one go. It goes step by step. Take a first step, second step, and you will find your way out.
Nice. Also, why do you think the global expansion is important for the business?
I have that vision of a global expansions because, as I said before, you can't stick to a one place on a map. The world is wide, world is large, and why not?
That's good to know. So, how do you balance your business and personal life?
Um, Meditating, yoga, that's first thing in the morning before I start my work. And then everything comes in order. It just automatically fits in my life.
Okay. As we know that you have started the Creative Connection, so what is your vision towards the Creative Connections?
Creative Connection is the first company with this concept of where the two countries are coming together, which is China, Hong Kong, and Middle East, where I want to make sure that the culture meets and we can get the clients from here to there to here, vice versa. And we can look into a lot of things in terms of visas, expansions, uh, in terms of events, in terms of luxury travels. That's what I look into the Creative Connections.
Okay. And what is your importance of understanding the latest market trends and updated technologies?
I would say to everybody, keep on updating your knowledge based on your trends. When you update your knowledge on the trends, you automatically fit into the market.
That's nice. Also, how Travel Tricks helps travel agencies as a global DMC.
So, as I have mentioned, that we have started in 2018 for Hong Kong, Macau, China. So we are B2B tied up well. We have recently started our services for Bahrain and for UAE also. So we have a tie-ups with our agents where we have our marketing people who are marketing us. We do exhibit in a lot of exhibitions in travel also. That's how they we help them, and we have a team who help them to quote and we execute the plans.
Okay. What is the unique support Travel Tricks can provide in Hong Kong?
You ask and you get it.
Okay. What is so most of the people they get confused like what is FIT and mice? Explain what happens behind it and what is the strength behind it?
FIT is basically frequent individual travelers. So basically, we can suggest them itinerary. They can plan the itineraries and they travel together with their families or their smaller groups. That's what the FITs are, or as individuals also. When it comes to meetings, which is MICE, which is meetings, incentives, conferences, exhibitions, where we do A to Z planning of events, whether it is a MICE events, incentives, exhibition, it's a whole event planning, logistics, and the event plans. So both sides, we put it together and put it together.
Okay. What are the updates in the travel industry after COVID-19?
Updates are a lot, depends who takes what.
Okay. Okay, so also we would like to know about Trips by Travel Tricks, like how Trips by Travel Tricks provides very pocket-friendly pricing for tour packages.
Um, I wouldn't call ourselves cheap, but we will be concentrating on a lot what markets wants. One is a service. One is second thing is we have started with Tabby, which is helping our clients to book with us. So these are the two things which I'm going to be emphasizing for Trips by Travel Tricks, and also suggest if individuals want to plan their trips totally different from a market, we are there for that.
Okay, that's great. Last question. We would like to know that how good is the personal and business life in Dubai? Do you suggest other international business to start their presence in Dubai and why?
So, when it comes to lifestyle, Dubai is the place where you can. And and when you ask me if I suggest others, come and try by yourself. That's
That's
what I
nice.
would say.
That is all. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.